Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a color background in your on your document. So your document currently looks like this. You can add a colored background by just pressing the paint bucket tool, which is under gradient, and then having a color. Whatever color you see here will be your background. If you want to change your color, click over here with the swatches. If you have your cover photo open, you can eyedrop colors from that. So hit the eyedropper tool, click on one, go back over here, paint bucket tool, click on it. It will match whatever eyedrop you do from this picture. Okay, so once we did that, we can do that, or say you don't want that. Let's go back. Okay, say you want a gradient fill instead. This gradient fill is going to be whatever color is here. So when you do a gradient fill, you click and drag. And the longer you pull it, the longer your gradient will be. See, if I only pull it to here, it's going to be right there. Say I pull it all the way down there. Minimize your screen. Say you start up here and pull it down here. The color is going to be darker up that way. Say you don't want it. Say you want more. Okay? You can keep doing this to change it. You can go up and then it's going to be less. Okay? If you need to step backwards, Alt Control Z. Okay? Say I don't want that color. Say I want a black, like a gradient with a grayscale fill. You can do that way. Say I want it to go from black to white. You can do that. Just change it. Okay? Goes from black to white. Say I don't want it going with the horizontal gradient fill. This is the radial gradient. See up here on your options panel? Radial gradient. So say if I do this, it's going to put it there. It's going to, wherever you put this crossbar, that's going to be the center. If you need to find the center, you're going to have to put your guides out. So find your guides, do here, and then 5.5 would be your center. Make sure your crossbar's in here, and then just, the longer you go, the more black will be. Okay, diamond gradient. That's a little different. Same concept. Play around with it. See what you like. Okay. Then what you can do, say I like that. Click on your move tool. Make sure your layer is selected. And then you can just move it to your document. Wow, that's big. What do I do to resize it? Edit, free transform, and move it. Okay, you might want to have your photo on there so you can tell what gradient you like. So we're going to go back to the gradient and do it again. No, I don't like that. Maybe I want it that way. Depending on how you pull it is where it's going to go. It should look realistic though. So that's how you do a color background or a gradient. fill.